Here's the car. Okay, it's repairing. It's pretty fast. Holy crap. Whoa. Oh, hi Steve. Are you driving, Steve? What's up guys? So we all know that Tesla has great technology for us humans, and they're constantly making updates. On our recent drive to San Diego, we took our two corgis, Steve and Shiro, and we realized a few things about having your best friend on the road with you. In this video, I'm gonna go over a few tips about owning a Tesla and being a dog owner. Let's get in it. So the first tip is dog mode. Dog mode allows you to keep the temperature of the car at a certain degree after you leave the car. It's activated by touching the fan mode and then hitting dog mode before you leave the car. Once dog mode is activated, the screen will show that dog mode is enabled so that any bystanders or people looking at your car will know that the AC is running. I've seen some other people put vinyls and stickers on their windows so that other people know that the AC is on because they might not see the screen. The second tip is making sure your doors and your window locks are engaged. On our recent trip, we noticed that since the rear doors and the rear windows can be unlocked by a paw or rolled down, we found a way to lock the windows and lock the doors so that the dogs couldn't open the windows and open the doors. To lock your doors and windows, you go to your car settings, go to locks, and then right under here, under your keys, you have window lock and child lock. Window locks the windows from the inside so that none of the dogs can open the windows using their paws, and same thing with child lock. Child lock locks the doors from the inside so the dogs can't unlock the car from the inside. You can still open the doors from the outside, at least this way their paws won't trigger the windows or the doors. And the third tip is making sure you have some sort of backseat cover. I found this great cover on Amazon that allows you to buckle your friends in and keeps them enclosed so that they don't roll around all over the backseat. It even has a window right here so they can watch you while you drive. So here's the cover. It's pretty awesome. It has these like pouches right here so you can store some things. It attaches to the back of the headrest up here, and it attaches to the front of the headrest over here. You can actually zip these up so that it creates like a tub for them. But I have it folded up here down here. It also came with two seatbelt buckles for their leashes that you can buckle through here, and so that they're not flying around all over the place. I'll put a link in the description for this exact cover on Amazon so that you can get the exact one. I think it was like 20 bucks, and there's a lot of different covers that you can get for 20 to 30 bucks. It'll be linked down below in the description for this exact one. Thanks for watching. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video and comment below on any dog tips you have for your Tesla. Let me know what you think. See you next week.